Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Ford Fiesta in neutral with a dead battery. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged for safety. You'll need to access the shift interlock release, which is usually a small button or slot near the gear selector. A small flathead screwdriver or a similar tool will be helpful for this process. Next, carefully locate the small plastic cover or trim piece near the base of your gear shifter. This cover often hides the manual shift release. Gently pry it open using your flathead screwdriver, being careful not to scratch or damage the surrounding console. Once removed, you should see a small button or a slot designed for the override. With the shift release exposed, press and hold the button or insert your tool into the slot. While holding the release, firmly move the gear selector from park into the neutral position. You should feel a distinct click as it engages. Double-check that the shifter is indeed in neutral before releasing the override button. After successfully shifting into neutral, ensure the parking brake remains firmly engaged, especially if the vehicle is on an incline. This prevents unintended movement. If you need to move the car, confirm it rolls freely. Finally, carefully replace any covers or trim pieces you removed to restore your console's appearance. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.